my yard is all growed up. First day, no rain. And I'm going to show you guys. Bet it looks like it's going to rain again. Alright. Me go through the jungle. Look at, that's my beans. Look at the squash. And the okra. Don't pay them beans no attention. Alright. We're just going to go in here and see what we got. The cucumbers, I'm going to take them out. Hold on. Trying to get this thing open. Y'all. It is really hot and no rain. Oh man, look at this vein. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Okay. Let me grab it. Let me show you guys. Look. The rain has really, I mean, it helped. I got an ant on my finger. Yeah, the cucumbers got to go. Look. The rain's really, oh, I got a blame on my strawberry. You guys see that? I've had so much rain out here. Hadn't look, and I'm probably gonna have to wait till this afternoon to come out here because it's really hot. Something has ate my tomato. I know, birds. Ah, gosh. Alright, let me grab these little tomatoes. See, it's the tomatoes. With all the rain, it's causing bird. It has caused my leaves to turn. If I don't grab these tomatoes, this one is got blooms on it. Can you guys see that? This one's growed. I'm gonna have to return. Y'all, these tomatoes here are getting big. I need to fertilize them and spray them. Cut back. My little tomatoes in here. Let me grab them. I had someone ask me about them. And there they are. Hope you guys kind of see them. They're in little clusters. And these here are getting so ripe till they're busting open. That's not any good. When they do that. Alright. But not being able to come out here, that really is bad. Oh, there's the girls. I just fed them again. They're doing great. They don't like all the rain. Had something touch my leg. The onions, the radishes, Lord, and my beans. Let me see if I can kind of get these bad boys going back up the vine. I'm probably going to have to come out here and tie them up. or reroute them or something. But the lettuce is coming along really good. I'll have to get it. Peppers. Let's see. I'm gonna have to spray them with some neem oil. But let me put this up here. Kind of get it to go on down the trellis. That right there. I mean, I'm really surprised how much it growed. You guys probably hear there's a lizard. You see that? My little lizard boy, he's fine. Oh man. We got a cucumber. But I'm really surprised how the okra took off. I know, guys. We're gonna get the yard mowed, and hopefully next week I can take those bush beans, cut them down, retill this, and over here I'm gonna plant some pumpkins, and over there I got some other stuff I want to do over there, and some of this stuff in here. I'm going to show you guys the peppers. They are growing, as you guys can see. They are really loaded down. You see, I mean, it's loaded. And let me get up here and show you guys. I'm going to start getting out here around 6 o'clock in the morning. And I think the rain is almost gone. Alright. These are all the flowers that the girls planted. Or those bush beans. And that's okra. We got a tomato. We got potatoes over here. We've got morning glories and a lot of other little flowers that the girls planted. And they're looking really good. But and then I have the two hostas up there. After this grass done, guys, if you check your weather, you will see Mississippi has been having a lot of rain. And I'm hoping it don't rain where my husband came this afternoon, because I am tired of rain. Alright guys, love you, God bless.